Hello everyone, in this video let's continue to learn how to code expert advisors. We have learned how to open chart automatically in our previous video. This video will guide us how to add an indicator automatically. We will learn a new API, and we will use moving average as our example indicator. Let's start learning. We need to add one more parameter. The parameter's name is period. It can help us to specify the period of the moving average. And we will get the parameter's value by using this API. And the new API's name is getIndicatorHandle. It's similar to getChartHandle. Please remember a very important rule here. If the specific indicator doesn't exist, then this API will create a new one on the chart for us, and then return the handle of the new indicator. If the specific indicator has existed on the chart, then this API will return the handle of the existing indicator. Okay, and handle stands for ID. It can help us to identify the chart element. So, handle is very important information. We will store the return value to this variable. Don't forget to release this variable after we stop running the EA. Okay, let's practice doing it. We just need to copy the new EA to our system. It's done. A new EA is created. Okay. Add indicator. Let's run it. Please see, there is no indicator. No moving average here, right? So if we run this EA, the EA will create a new indicator for us. Let's see. Now you can see that a new indicator is created, right? Cool. And now the indicator has existed. So, if we run this EA again, nothing will happen. Because the specific indicator has existed, so it will just return the handle of the specific indicator. Okay, very simple to understand. This is the topic about how to add an indicator to the chart. Thank you for watching. See you next time.